Okay, I'm gonna give you a closer look at this knife right here. I got this one from the battle box a while ago, and it's just a little knife. I want to give you a closer look for you guys to definitely check it out. So let me open this up. I did show you this when I got it, but I wanted to give you a closer look right here. So this is kind of what you got right here. This is the Revolt Rotor folding EDC knife. Pretty small kind of knife, but again, is the VG10 steel, so it has a pretty decent steel. It has a really interesting design. It's not linear lock, as you can tell, and I'm assuming it's kind of like a frame lock kind of knife. So when you open it up, you kind of see how the frame itself rotate. You see that right there. And then as you open it up, you kind of come down, and right there, right about there, if you can see right there, it's gonna kind of snatch in there, right? And it's gonna come down there, right? And that's about it. And it's very, very secure. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm trying to put some force into that, but that is very, very secure. So let me give you a closer look. Again, it's going to be a pretty small knife. If you see here my hand, kind of want to give you a look right there for you guys to check it out. So it's not really a big knife at all. So again, you see it right here. Not really a fan of the blue, but again, I guess blue, it is my favorite color, but I'm not really fan of this blue. But there are different models out there. There is also one that is carbon fiber as well, but you kind of get a look right here. So you see it right there. The steel is going to be BG10. It does have some serrations here, and the serrations are pretty long. Like, it makes it all the way over here. Typically, you have less than that, right? And then it's like really open in construction. You can see that. Obviously, you have your clip right here. You're going to be carrying this with your blade tip up, right? And it looks like you only have one position, which is this right here, right? So again, let me close it up again. To close it up, you kind of lift up the frame, and when you lift up the frame, you can kind of close it right there, and you can see it right there. Pretty interesting knife. Again, not your normal standard knife that you see out there. I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty lightweight. It barely weighs anything. I could feel it right here. So again, not really sure if it's liner lock or frame lock. I would kind of go more for a frame lock design. The dimensions is going to be 2.75 for that blade right there. The entire knife is going to be about 7 inches, and when it's closed, it's going to be about 4.1 inches. Like I said, this one is blue, but you do have it in carbon fiber, and there's other designs, other colors right there. And again, just an interesting looking knife. If you're looking for one and you want something different, this may be something that you look into it. You have this little ring back here. You could probably put a lanyard or something like that. Okay, here we go. Let's do a little bit of cutting. Not bad. Wow, not bad. Okay, let's get this side right here. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. That was good. That was really, really good. So, all right. So, it's sharp. Could use a little bit of work, but it's definitely sharp. Kind of go this way now. Yeah. There you go. So it's definitely sharp. It's pretty sharp, and again, could use a little bit of work, but it is definitely a sharp knife. Again, this is going to be the Revolt Rotor folding knife. It came in one of the battle boxes. I wanted to give you a closer look. All right, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what you think, and as always, God is in control.